Now I'm on my way to the seaside. I hope I make it. The other time I was on the other side trying to go to the seaside, it was so windy. My cap just blew off. So now I don't know if the wind is going to allow me to get close to the sea. It's so windy today. It's really windy at the seaside. So I don't know if I'll be able to get there, because if the wind is so much, I will have to revise and just go straight to the hotel. So I hope I make it. I hope I make it to the seaside. I really wanted to show you guys the Ostendo seaside in the winter. Oh my god, you see, it's already windy. It's already windy. It's coming, it's coming. The wind is coming. And you guys know I'm wearing a wig. Wearing a wig, wearing a cap, so I don't want the wind to blow it off. Blow my wig off. And my cap. So none of this is supposed to happen. If I'm just able to show you guys the Melbourne Sea in the winter, I'll come back. But it looks pretty calm now. Looking calm. It's looking very, very calm. So let's see if I will be able to make it. Let's see if I will be able to make it. Let's see. The wind is coming. Rita's adventure. This is Rita's adventure to get to the sea with her wig on. With high wind. You see? It's windy. Jesus. Yeah, it's because I'm wearing a wig and I'm wearing a cap. That's the problem. If I wasn't wearing a wig or a cap, just with my natural hair, then there is no problem. The wind can blow as much as it wants. But for now, I have to hold my hat firm so that the wind doesn't blow it off. If I get close to the sea and you guys can see the sea, I will change the direction of yeah guys. Okay, bye. You guys are now going to see the sea, and then I'll take you guys to the hotel. The next stop is going to be the hotel, but now I want you guys to see the sea, the northern coast in the winter time. Oh my god, it's cold. It's really cold. Okay, I see the sea.